Hi everyone. So in today's video we will be creating one Angular application, and here for creating Angular application we will be using Visual Studio Code as a tool for code editing. And once after creating Angular application, we will be adding Angular material to our project, as well as we will be configuring Tailwind CSS. So let's begin with it. So here I have opened that Visual Studio Code as a code editor. So let's create a demo project in Angular. So for that we will be giving command as ng new and our project name. So let's give project name as a demo2 and we'll press enter. This will create one Angular application in the given project directory, which is nothing but one Angular folder. So let's begin with SCSS. As of now, give the server side rendering as a no. Press enter. So now it will create our boilerplate code, as well as it will install our required package for running our application. We can see here it is installing package. So now we can see here package installed successfully. So now we need to navigate it to our project folder, which is nothing but demo2. So let's go to demo2. So we will give cd demo2 command. Now we have came to our demo2 folder. Now we will run that application by giving ng serve. It will build and run our application. Even we can give npm start. After that, giving o, it will build our application and it will run. So now we can see here it is building our project. Yes, so it has built it successfully, and now it is giving one URL to see our project. So now here we can see our application has been created successfully and it is loading. See here we can see our application has been created. So now going forward, we will add Angular material to this application. So let's open another terminal. Even we can run in the same terminal by stopping this application, but to avoid that, let's open another PowerShell, navigate to our demo2 folder. Now to add Angular materials, we need to give this command. I have written it so that it will take little less time. So I will copy and I will add it here. Press enter. It will download required package for Angular materials. Sorry, it should be, there should be certain space. Here we can see it is determining the package. Now it will install. As of now we will give, it is asking that it will be 19.1.1 will be installed at Angular. Then we'll give one Angular material, we'll give y. Now it is asking about theme. So let's begin with the first theme. Otherwise we can press down arrow and we can navigate to other theme. So let's start with Azure Blue. Give enter. Give typography style as a Y. I mean for Angular material typography style, give as of now Y. Include an enable animation. Yes. Now we can see one message, package has installed successfully. Now we have created our Angular application and added Angular material. Now we will configure Tailwind CSS. So let's go to our code editor, then our browser. Now here we will write Tailwind CSS for official documentation. Here get started, go to framework guide. As we need to configure it for Angular, then click on Angular, and here we can see they have mentioned certain number of steps, right, like 6 steps. So here we are not going to create new project, as we have already created new project and we have moved like we have navigated to our project folder directory. So we can skip step 1 as of now. Let's continue with installation. So copy that. Here we can see we are already in demo2 folder, which is our project folder. Paste it, click enter. Now it will install required package for Tailwind CSS. Post installation we need to follow certain more step. We need to create this one file in root of our project. So let's first get it installed. Now we can see it has been installed and 11 package has been added. So now navigate to root of our project, which is nothing but this demo2. We will create a new file, name as post css rc.json. Enter. Again we will go to Tailwind CSS page, copy the exact code and paste it here, save it. Now move to next step, which is nothing but our style CSS or styleless CSS. Go there, open source. Here we will be getting a styleless CSS. Just copy and paste it. Now again we need to run our project. So to stop our here in this PowerShell, we can see our project is our application is already running. So to stop it, we need to press Ctrl+C. Now it has been stopped. Now again we need to run. So we can give ng serve to run our build and run our application. Press enter. So now it will build and run our application. Once it will build and run, we need to write this code in our app component HTML just to see whether like our Tailwind CSS is effectively installed or not. So let's navigate to this URL. This is our older page, like by default page. So navigate to HTML page, delete this, and here we can see we have created. Now we have installed Tailwind CSS. So this are null class. If you will write, then our Tailwind CSS effect we can see in UI. So just paste it, save it. Now we can see hello world. For example, if we will remove this class which is from Tailwind and save it. We can see no underline. By default hello world will be there without any bold, and suppose we will come and paste it that class like text 3xl font bold and underline, save it, which is from TailwindCSS. We can see its impact here. So that's all as of now. So in this video we have covered we have created one Angular application, added Angular materials and configure TailwindCSS. So from here we can proceed, and wherever it is required we can give a style like CSS from like our TailwindCSS. Thanks a lot.